One. So in finance, we keep data reconciling, working with different tabs, multiple sheets to compare our data and do the analysis. Now I have created this video to show you an example of a small tweak which can help you analyze faster. So let us see how it works. So here you can see a table F.01 report for two financial years, 25 and 26. So I have created a pivot here. Now if I start analyzing, I can see movements here. But suppose I want to know the details of this number, I have to go to the FAGL GO3. Now one way is to just filter that particular GL and then look for the details like this, or else we can alternatively just select this, create a pivot on this, and then keep to get the details, right? So this is not a feasible approach for a quick analysis. What I have done here is a small tweak which can instantly show you your numbers. You can just scroll down and you can see all the details. They are all coming from the FAG LLGO3 report. To further make it better, I have added this table which will show you your top 10 items with sorted in absolute order. So the moment you keep rolling through your numbers, I want to see my inventory or anything prepaid expense. So you will able to visualize through this chart as well. So I hope you like it and let me know if you are looking for something like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.